Hi guys, welcome back. I'm back again. Thank you for watching my videos. In this video, I'm going to teach us how to solve linear equations like collecting of like terms. There are a lot of persons, a lot of students, some of my pupils I used to teach. Most of them don't know how to collect like terms when they are solving linear equation, all right? So I'm going to teach us. I'll just give us like two examples. So with that, I believe that you'll be able to solve or tackle any questions that comes your way anytime you come across linear equation and question that has to do with collecting of like terms. All right. So with no further ado, let's go straight into the solving. So for example, we have a question like when you have a question like 2a plus b minus c, then minus b plus 7a minus c. Okay, guys, so when you have a question like this, how do you do it? We collect like terms, all right? So if we collect like terms, solution. So what just needs to do, first of all, we open the bracket, all right? So when you open the bracket, you are going to have 2a plus b minus c. So we are going to use this negative sign to open this bracket, all right? So this minus sign will multiply everything that is inside this bracket. So this minus sign will multiply b to multiply plus 7 to multiply minus c. All right, so if we do that, minus times b will give us minus b. All right, minus times plus is also minus. All right, so minus times plus 7 will give us minus 7a. All right, minus times minus will give us plus. So minus times minus give us plus. Minus times minus c will give us plus c. All right. So guys, we have successfully opened the bracket. So what we are going to do is to collect like terms. All right. So if we collect like terms, what we are going to do is take all the values of a to one side, all the values of b to one side, all the values of c will be on one side. So if we do that, we are going to have 2a minus 7a because we have a here, then plus b minus b minus c plus c. All right. So we have 2a minus 7a plus this b minus c plus c. All right. So now that we have this equation, if you look at it very well, you will discover that this place is having plus b and minus b. All right, and here is also having plus c and minus c. So whenever you have the same number, the same alphabet, so whenever you have the same alphabet or the same variable, the same number, all you just need to do is look at the numbers very well. If one of the number is carrying a positive sign, all right, just pay attention, you will understand it. So if one of the number is carrying a positive sign and the second number or the second alphabet is carrying a positive sign, all you just need to do, the positive sign will strike out the negative sign. That is how to solve it. You just cancel it out. So with that said, this plus b, all right, plus b we cancel out minus b, while minus c we cancel out plus c. So we are left with what? 2a minus 7a. All right, so 2a minus 7a is going to give us minus 5a, and that is the final answer. All right, so I'm going to give us another example. So for example, you have number 2, you have 2x minus y, all right, then minus y minus bracket y minus z, then minus x, all right, minus 7z, all right, plus 5. So this is a bit long. We have three equations here, three brackets, 1, 2, 3. All right, so it is also very easy. All you just need to do is to open the bracket. So if we open the bracket, we have 2x minus y, minus times this will give us minus y, minus times minus z will give us plus z. Use this to open the bracket. Minus times minus x will give us plus x. Minus times minus 7z will give us plus 7z. Then we have our plus 5. All right. So the next step is to collect like terms. All right. So if we are collecting our like terms, we are going to have 2x plus x. All right. Then plus minus y minus y. All right. Then plus z plus 7z plus 5. All right, guys. So now that we are done with this, 2x plus x will give us what? 3x. All right. Plus and minus will give us minus. So minus y will give us minus 2y. All right. Plus 1z plus 7z will give us 8z. All right. Plus 5. So guys, this is the final answer to the question, because we cannot predict this, we cannot simplify or collect like terms in this last phase. All right, so this is the final answer. We have 3x minus 2y plus 8z plus 5. All right, so this is how to solve linear equation when you are looking at collecting of like terms. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you have any challenge, any question, drop it in the comment section.